Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 YouTube settings which you should know and you should apply if you want to have a better experience on YouTube. The dark theme. Right now, you can see that my screen is YouTube page is in a white color. But if you want to apply a dark theme, you can select that from here. And you can change the language of the YouTube. Right now, my language is English. And now I'm going to show you a different language. Once you will change that to a different language, icons and tools will be shown in that format, and that's how you can easily change the language of the YouTube. Let me change it back to the English, that you can if you do not remember the shortcut keys, the YouTube has given the short keys display in your menu bar, and you can see that by pressing the K you can do the pause, you can go rewind by 10 seconds by pressing the J, and the all the keyboard shortcuts are here, so you don't need to remember that. You can just access from your menu and you can use them whenever you require that. So next up is that you can change the location of the YouTube. Right now my location is United States. While it will not have much effect on your home page, but it will definitely have the effect on the trending videos. Right now, if I click the trending videos, I will see the videos which are trending in United States. So I am seeing the trending videos which are trending in United States. So if I change the country from here, I can see that which videos are trending in that particular country. For example, I changed the country from United States to United Kingdom. Now you will see that the trending videos will change, because it will now show me the videos that are trending in UK and not US. As you can see that it has changed that, and now I have this GB over the YouTube, which means that now I am watching the YouTube of Great Britain. The next is the restricted mode. Right now it is off. However, you can apply the restricted mode, and when it is applied, it will help you to hide the potentially mature videos. If you require, so you can apply that, or otherwise you can keep it to an off position. But for the beginners, you can switch your account from here and you can access your different accounts. Now over to the videos. In case you have a video which has closed captions, you can enable the closed captions on screen by clicking this button, and you can switch it off by here. However, if you don't want to see the captions on screen and you want that to be displayed on this side, you can do that by clicking these vertical dots and click open transcript, and from here you can see the now whatever this person is saying, I can see the text on the right side. Now if you want to extract the closed captions for use in your project, or if you want to convert any video which has a closed caption into an article, you can do that. Simply copy the link of that video, and then you need to visit this site, which is diycaptions.com. Paste the link over here and press get text if you want that complete video into an article format. However, if you want the SRT file, which means that the closed caption file, then you need to press that. But I'm going to show you that how you can convert that video into a text. So press this get text. It will open a new window in which it will ask you if the video has different if the video has closed captions in different languages. It will ask you to select that. Since this video has only the closed captions in English, so I'm going to press this English, and now in a new window it will convert the complete video into one article. As you can see that now you can simply copy that text, and you can put it in your blog post or wherever you want to use that. Right now, if I am watching this video, I can simply press this mini player and it will open it in a mini player, and I can now start to browse the YouTube for next video to watch. So this was the another feature which is available in the YouTube video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and share and subscribe.